Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change row height in Excel. Let's get started. As you might have already noticed, Excel usually offers more than one solution to any task. The same applies when it comes to changing the height of a row in a spreadsheet. In a couple of seconds, we'll guide you through the quickest and easiest way to do this. Sometimes you need to adjust the row height but don't know the exact dimensions or value in points to specify the height. In that case, follow these steps. Position the cursor at the bottom border of the row whose height you need to change. Once the cursor turns into a double-headed arrow, left-click and drag the arrow to adjust the height of the row as needed. While dragging, a box will show you the current row height in figures, so you'll be able to follow number values too. And now the other way. Imagine that you know the exact number of points to enter to adjust the row height. Here's what you do. Click on the row to select the area. Let's say we need to change the height of row 5 here. Right-click on the row and choose the option Row Height. Now simply enter the value for the height, for example, 40. Click on OK and it's done. You can easily use the same way to change the height of multiple rows at once. If you'd like to see more on how to work with rows in Excel, such as how to hide or unhide them as needed, watch our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.